This is a cut view of the walls. As you can see, this is a globe wall. In this globe wall, the spiral one which you can see over here is basically the stem which is attached, and this is the plug. The unique plug shape is there. This is the outlet port over here. So this is a hand wheel which is available for the globe wall. Let's see the needle wall. As name suggests, the needle is a sharp plug which is available. As you can see over here, it's the sharp plug which is available, and it can close and open with a manual operation. This is a non-written wall which is available. In the non-written wall, as you can see, a spring is there. Okay, with the help of spring, the non-written action can be possible. This is an angle type of the wall. As we had seen many times, the angle is required for dropping down the substance. When there are viscous material, when there are the slurries a part of it, then they are dropping with an angle over here. So this is an angle wall. Now this is a very famous ball wall. As you can see, the spiral and the most shining one is a ball which is attached, and now it is an open position for the ball, and this is a closed position for the ball. This is again a non-written wall, but this is in a horizontal manner. So this is a non-written wall. A spring is attached again over here, but it is placed in a horizontal way. This is a gate wall. Gate wall is basically opening and closing purpose and absolutely working like a gate. So this particular gate wall opens and close it there. Okay, a tight shutdown is a great facility which is many times available. This is a safety wall. Safety wall, as you can see over here, the spring is attached over here, and the inlet section, and this is its outlet section is available. So these are all the cut view of a control wall.